Hey guys, today we're doing, we're basically just watching the tornado siren testing for September 5th, first Saturday in 2025. And this is a 2001, what's it? 2001 130 tornado siren. Okay, let's go show the view.